Java programming and is as a programming course just for master degree to let them know how to program some program or how to solve some program or help in solving some program. Anyway, if you see the blackboard or the screen, you can see Java programming in BT. If someone asks about NBT, it is not necessary. It is name for the project for that who was responsible for this project. He was responsible for this project or for this center. And the teacher one in Java, this is lecture one, and we will see how Java organized in this lecture. The objective of this course, I think it is similar to any other programming language, and I think your background is IT, and most of you have taken some courses in programming. There is no big difference between C++ exactly and Java. There is a differences, we will talk about it. And if, but in statement or something, you will get it, it is similar and easy to understand Java if you know previous, and if you know any course in programming in undergraduate. You can see what is the object. The object for this course is knowledge and understand for the principle of Java, of object-oriented. We will know some concept for object-oriented in Java, and if we compare the object-oriented with C++, we will get Java 100% of object-oriented. In C++, there is some, and there is not, when they built the C++, they didn't build it as object-oriented fully. But Java, it is fully 100% object-oriented. And second objective, we will know and experience with the syntax and semantics. We will know how the syntax for Java and how the semantics of any instruction in Java. The third objective, which we will know and experience with solving simple programs by design and implementation object-oriented. What this means, that meaning we will try to do some lab experiment to solving some small program as practical for this course, and we will satisfy the objective 3. Okay. If we come to Java contents, what we will study during this or through this course, you will know the basics of Java. You will know the selection, iteration. You know this meaning selection and iteration. It is similar to in C or C++ or another language. Methods and specifications. You will know array, algorithm, application. It is similar also. And we will come to the application of the class. It will be different or little different about C++, but in 6 we will implement the implementation, or we will implement some classes, and we will know the concept of inheritance. You know what's meaning inheritance. So in 8 we will know also AWT, which is abstract window to kit tool. Swing, Java interface events. Also, we will study, or we will practical study exceptions with file input output, and also we will see database in Java, how database connectivity and network classes, utilities or utility classes, or write exam in the last course. Okay, this is the contents of our course, or what we will study through this course. Of course, this lecture, it is made by expert of Delft University, and we try to follow them, but it is not made by me. I can make other and different, I have some, but this, he organized that from day 1 to day 11, it is, we will, we study those contents we saw it before, and how organized. It will be 1 hour and a half for lecture or for introduction to new topic, 1, 2.5, it will be for practical. That is the system for the previous teacher. But for us, we are concentrate, or from the management, they said we should take it at least 10 days. The course will be take 10 days, and the 11th day it will be exam. And my organized, it will be about 2 hours for theory and 2 hours for lab. So day 12, it is this, the timetable, it is different because they do the timetable, it was Thursday and
Sunday,
Tuesday and Thursday and Monday, yeah? Monday, by this way. So 3 days a week, not all a week. Before it was by every week we should to have a class. So if we come to see the basic or the base of Java or any other language, we can see what is the purpose of the program. What is the purpose of a program? Sama, can you? What is the purpose of program? The purpose, say, answer for that. What is the purpose of program? And what my question is just only from your background. It is normal or common question.
I can say how to dealing with the programming. You can see that.
how come to solve any problem?
How
Come to
to solve any problem?
Some what is it there to solve any problem in the software.
Okay, I think what is the purpose of the program? What is the purpose of the program? We write the program to solve some problem. That is the easy introduction to answer this question. It is the program, the purpose, it is to solve any program. How does it is operate? How the program is operate? You know, every course in the previous 2 batch, every course they should to have exam at the first day to see what is the level of the student when they come. But I don't know this. They make it for the other courses. So why to know the level? Anyway, how does it is operate? Operate who? The program. How it can work?
Writing and after that.
Which algorithm to use?
Hmm?
Which algorithm to use? That's mean
How to
operate.
How does it operate? Meaning what?
Which
algorithm you use for this program?
This program.
Okay, and
We can say any programming, wanted to design it, we have 3 steps or stage. Write code, design, also run programming.
So that's combined and see the results.
So, okay, first we write the statement of that language as set of program, and second we can come to compile this. And what we need a compiler for that language. We can combine by any other, there is special, every language has special compiler for it. And second, this compile, what it is do, it convert the high level language to low level language, which is, what's meaning low level language is 0 or 1.
Machine language.
Huh?
It's machine language.
It is machine low level language, it is meaning machine language, which represented by binary system, with 0 or 1, and this the language really it is deal with the hardware for the computer. We can't say, for example, sum A plus 20, that meaning the hardware for the program it is use this order. No, it is converted to the machine language, and I think this is, but it is as background. So that is meaning how does it is operate. We can start from writing the